Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to bring you guys this video. As you can see by the title, I'm doing a Sally Beauty product haul for you guys today. So I literally just got back from the store. I went to Sally's, I got home, and I'm so excited to have these products that I just had to share them with you guys right now and film this video for you. To start off, I did some damage at Sally's a little while ago. I spent way more than I wanted to. If you've seen my previous Sally hauls, then you know that I typically like to stay around $50 range when I go to Sally's. However, that was not the case today. I spent almost $100. Yes, almost $100. But what I like to do is take the number of products that I bought and divide it by the total price. So I did get 2 bags full of product. So I got about 12 items and I divided that by the $92 that I spent, and it came out to about $7.70 a product average. So to average about $7-8 a product is not bad considering how much these natural hair products run for. Of course, I'm going to go through everything with you guys. I'm going to show you guys the products that I got. I'm also going to show you or tell you why I picked what products I picked. And when you see these products and know how much they normally cost if you were just to buy them one by one, then you know the $92 is justified just a little bit. So the main point of me going to Sally's was to purchase items or brands that I've never used before. So the majority of the products are from brands that I have not used, and I'm super excited to try them out. I will start off by showing you guys some products that I wouldn't really necessarily classify as products that I haven't used yet. So that's enough babbling. Let's just get started. Alright, so here are my 2 bags full of product. They're super heavy. So the first 2 products that I picked up from the clearance section, and they are these 2 body washes from Shea Moisture. So I'm in love with Shea Moisture body washes, and this is a great deal. They were in the reduced rack area for $4.49 each. That is a steal. They normally go for about $8-9 each. So I picked 2 up, and I might even go back and pick up some more just because the prices are so good. And lately I've just been into body washes, so I'm definitely super excited to have found these. The next product that I picked up is for my 2 daughters. So they both have really long, super curly hair, and they go through a ton of hair products, just like me. But they really love the leave-in conditioners, so they tend to use a lot of it, and I ended up getting this super duper big size Cantu's leave-in conditioner. So this is for them. All right, so those were just some of the products, necessities, things that I had to get. So now I'm going to show you guys the products that I'm excited about. So Sally's, of course, always has their buy 2 get 1 free deal. So I had to take advantage of that, of course. And I did so for 3 natural curly hair brands. The first of which is Miele, which is, I've only used the pomegranate and honey line from them. So I'm excited to try these 3 products from Miele. Miele, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I always get a lot of people recommending their white peony leave-in conditioner. So this is the product that I'm most excited to try out. So this leave-in conditioner is for all hair types, it's sulfate free, and it's color safe, which as you can see, I've recently dyed my hair. So this will be a great leave-in for me to use. So I'm excited to use this one. I also picked up their honey and ginger styling gel, which is for enhanced curl definition and moisture retaining formula. It's made with honey and ginger. So I've heard good things about this one too. So again, I'm excited to try this. And then the deep conditioner from Miele is also one that's talked very highly of. It's the Babasu and Mint Deep Conditioner. It's protein moisture replenish for dry and damaged hair. It is to restore protein and balance for moisture and growth. So again, it's really gonna help, hopefully, my hair now that it's color treated. So, you know, I didn't even realize it when I was picking these products out that they're good for color treated hair. But again, I'm excited to do a wash and go using these products. So stay tuned for that. I'll definitely have a video coming out using these products so you guys can see how well they do in my hair. Okay, so the next group of products that I picked up are from the Jane Carter Solutions line or brand. I've never ever tried anything from Jane Carter Solutions. I ended up going with their Curls to Go line. I picked up, I would say this is their whole styling line. So the first thing I picked up was their Untangle Me Weightless Leave-In. Can't wait to try this one. It hydrates, detangles, reduces frizz. It's made with mango butter, slippery elm, and marshmallow root. So this reminds me a lot of the Kinky Curly Knot Today as far as the consistency. Oh, let me smell them for you guys so you guys can see how they smell. So this leave-in, let's see. It smells good. It smells a little perfumey, but not too strong. Fresh and sweet. So I really like that smell. And the next product I picked up was their Curl Cocktail Conditioning Styling Cream. So this I would apply after the leave-in. And let's see how this one smells. Very similar to the leave-in, but it just smells a little bit sweeter. And then the last thing I picked up from Jane Carter Solutions was their elongating gel. So this should be interesting. I'm always intrigued by elongating products because, as you know, curly hair, especially healthy curly hair, can suffer from a lot of shrinkage. So I'm, you know, kind of curious to see how this does. Let's see how it smells. This smells really good. This smells more perfumey than sweet like the other two products. Oh, it smells so good. I really like that smell. So I'm super excited to try these products out, and best believe I will be doing a wash and go using these 3 products. So again, stay tuned for that. All right, so let me give you guys a smell test of the Miele products. We'll start with the White Peony Leave-In. Okay, I have to say I'm not a fan of this smell. It smells very grandma-ish, but again, I think that's just the white peony. That's how they smell, but I guess it's doable. It really, really smells like a grandma, but we'll work with it. And then the Babassu and Mint Deep Conditioner. Let's see how this one smells. Ooh, very minty, so that smells good. Yeah, I just get a whiff of mint, but it's very refreshing. And then the Honey and Ginger Styling Gel. Let's see how this one smells. Definitely can smell the ginger more so than the honey. Yeah, it smells very ginger and lemony. I'm not a big fan of it, but it should be fine. Alright guys, so the last group of products that I picked up from Sally's are from Camille Rose Naturals. So I have been dying to try these products, but they're super duper 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 expensive. I think this one here, the Curl Maker, which is a very popular, I guess it's a styling gel of some sorts. It's a jelly. It's like $22. So I, did the whole buy 2 get 1 free, and then I had a 20% off coupon, And all the products that I went over, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if I average them out, came out to about $7, $8 each. So I feel a little bit better knowing that I was able to purchase all these products and they all averaged around $7 to $8, especially knowing how expensive this is. So I guess we'll start with this one. This is the Curl Maker from Camille Rose Naturals. It has marshmallow and agave leaf extract. This curling jelly will eliminate frizz, moisturize, and define curls the natural way. So let's see how it smells. It smells kind of like candy. Wait, like candy. Yeah, it smells like candy. It smells sweet like candy, and it looks very, very sticky like most jellies. It comes with a pump, so that's super cool. And again, I am super duper excited to use especially this one. The next thing that I picked up from Camille Rose Naturals is their Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse, which is another product that I've heard a lot of great things about. It is made with castor and aniseed oil. It says that it's Asian ginger, nourishing essential oils, and castor seeds, specially infused for moisture retention and slip. Oh, it's sulfate free. Yeah, you would use it just like you would a shampoo. It is a cleansing product. It's not called a shampoo, but it's called a cleansing rinse, and you would use it like you would a shampoo. Let me see how it smells. Smells ginger and lemony. So smells kind of like food, which I don't mind, because then I know that it's probably has a lot more natural ingredients than those that smell very chemically and perfumey. And the last product that I picked up from Camille Rose, which is another one that I've heard a lot of great things about, is the Curl Love Moisture Milk. It says it's rich milk and macadamia oil, natural milks, oils, and butters to nourish, moisturize, and elongate dry, withdrawn curls the natural way. So again, will be very, very useful, hopefully, for my newly dyed hair. Okay, so it is called a moisture milk, so I'm assuming you use it just like you would a leave-in conditioner. The directions does say apply to dry or wet hair and style as usual. For best results, use Camille Rose Naturals' entire line of hair products. So I did want to get a conditioner, but I couldn't find one. I don't know if they make a conditioner, but I decided to get the shampoo since everything else I got didn't have a shampoo. I got mainly styling products, one deep conditioner and one leave-in conditioner. One deep conditioner and one shampoo. The rest were all styling products, which I'm not mad at. I did need to stock up on some styling products, so that's fine. Ooh, this smells very cupcake-y. Smells like cake. Exactly like cake. If you remember my one product wash and go using Design Essentials, it was like their custard gel combo product that I was not happy with. It smells exactly like that. Exactly like that. It just smells just like cake batter, which is good, but I'm not really a fan of like sweet, cakey pastry smells. I like my hair products to smell clean, fresh, a little perfumey, but not too much. Okay guys, so those were all the products that I picked up today at Sally's. Quite an amount of products. So I'm happy. I think I'll be good for a few months before I have to return back and get more products. I did want to share one last product with you guys that didn't come from Sally's, but it is a new product that I just received. I just purchased this. I actually picked it up at Sephora. And the reason why I picked up this product is because my hair is color treated, and I've heard and seen a lot of great things that this product has done. And the product is Olaplex. I think is how you say it. So it's the original Olaplex Hair Perfector. Now I must say, it is meant to repair and strengthen hair. This is typically used as like a protein treatment. It's a treatment that you apply to your hair prior to shampooing and conditioning. To be honest, it doesn't have a lot of great ingredients, and I like to promote products and use products that are more on the natural side, but I'm not super duper strict about it. I do like to experiment and try new things, although I do try to, for the majority of my products, stick to the more natural ones. But because I've seen a lot of people have really great results, and now that my hair is color treated, I am starting to feel like it needs a little bit of like a protein kind of treatment shock or whatever. I thought that I would try this out. I'm a little scared, but I'm sure it'll be fine. I've already smelled it and I just, oh, it smells so good. It's like perfect, the perfect smell that I love for my hair products. It just smells so clean and fresh and like, oh, just want to smell that all the time. I'm excited and a little nervous to try this out, but I'll definitely take you guys along with me when I do use it. I'm thinking maybe this weekend, maybe next weekend, but we'll see. So I'm gonna try to upload my whole hair dyeing process first, if that's not already up, before I upload any of these other videos using these products. But I really hope this video wasn't too long, guys. But I was super excited, as I mentioned, to share these products with you guys. The majority of them I have never used. So again, I'm excited to try them out. Thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, be sure to subscribe, of course, especially because if you want to see me use these products, you want to hit that notification bell so you're notified when I actually post those videos. Give this video a like if you like hauls like I do, and leave me a comment. Let me know if you've used any of these products. If so, what was your experience with them? I love hearing you guys' testimony. It really does help me to determine, you know, which products I buy and, you know, how I use the products. So thank you guys so much for those of you that always leave me sweet comments. You guys are amazing. But yeah, thanks again for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the rest of your day or night, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. So you want to hit that notification bell. You want to hit that